Hello everyone and welcome to ERA tutorial. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 6 subject English unit 1 topic 1.4. Today we are going to discuss question and answers of children are going to school. In my previous lecture already I have taught this poem. So if you want to learn about the poem, you can see in description box, link is given to you. First see the poem and uh, then only listen this video of question and answers. Okay, question number 1, read the poem loud. That means you have to read poem loudly. Question number 2, find at least two things from the poem that shows the following things. First, it is early morning. Okay, because in poem already it is mentioned that morning light spread. Morning light spread means what? This is the early morning. Then second thing, the sun after his morning dip in river. So here also morning is mentioned clearly. So one can say that this poem shows that it is early morning. Second, the atmosphere is pleasant. So with what we can say that atmosphere in the poem is pleasant? Because breezes sing their songs of blessings. So when breeze is there, already means atmosphere will be very good. Then fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy road. These also indicate that atmosphere is really pleasant. Question number 3, apart from the children no other human being are mentioned in the poem. However, many natural elements are shown to act like persons. Name them and also write what they do. So here only living being means, if you say not living being but human being, only children are there in the poem which are human being. Others are the natural element. But these natural elements are shown or acting like a person. For example, sun is taking morning dip. Okay, so breeze is singing. So all these qualities are of persons. So name them and write what they do. So first is sun. What sun is doing? Sun is taking his morning dip in river. What breeze is doing? Breeze is singing. What flowers are doing? Flowers are awakening the sleepy road. People tree. What people tree is doing? People tree is waving his hand to the children, those who are going to school. Then angels are spreading light on the road. Then each and every particle of the earth, what they are doing? Each and every particle of the earth is welcoming the children, those who are going to school. What pigeon are doing? Pigeon are with the time, and the time is allowing pigeon to fly. Question number 4, draw a picture of the scene described in the poem. So here two pictures are given, any one you can draw. Question number 5, the whole world is happy because children are going to school. Why is it so? Discuss it in the classroom. So here this is our classroom. So let us discuss. The whole world is happy because children are going to school, because education is the most important thing which decides a lot of things like building a future for our upcoming generation. Education is and will always be vital in building a solid establishment in one's life. This is particularly valid as far as taking a look at our future era. We need our children to be educated, to be fully informed regarding current issue and ready to give information to the people to come. Education is a solid building hinder in building a more grounded and more healthier group. So education is necessary. If you want to do something successful, something good in your life, with your education only you can do, and that's why the whole world is happy that children are taking education and they are interested in education. Question number 6, write about how your family support you to go to school. Now that is your feeling, you have to think over it and you have to write it down. Question number 7, what would generally all family supports to children when they are going to school. Question number 7, what would happen if children didn't go to school. Discuss the question, okay, and write a short composition. If children didn't go to the school, they would much of their time they will waste their time in useless and ideal activity. They will either watch TV or play video games or watch videos on any other social media. As a result, no skill such as reading, writing, arithmetic, speaking, etc. will be learned by them. At school, one gets plenty of exposure to co-curricular and extracurricular activities such as public speaking, elocution, recitation, sports, games, quiz, etc. Taking part in this activity is so crucial in the all-round development of children. Hence, proper growth and perfect development, children must go to school. But if because of any problem, if school is not running at that time, children should not stop taking education. Whatever other means are there, on videos you can see educational program and you can keep learning. Okay. Question number 8, write in short about what your parents or guardians feel when they send you to school. So school is the place where you learn the value of discipline and basic education. So definitely your parents, guardians will feel very proud about you. When you are of age 6, you get admitted in the first standard, and first day of school for a child is always unpleasant, uncomfortable. They do not know anyone over there. Every face they see is of a stranger. Being a parent, seeing your child going to school is always a matter of pride, but there is always a worry about how the child will cope up or adopt with surrounding classmates. But after a week or two, things get easier and sorted. Means at beginning you may feel something unpleasant, something uncomfortable, but very shortly, very soon you came in practice with it and you love to go to school. Question number 9. Now in question number 9, list 5 of your favorite Hindi or Marathi poem or songs and try to translate any one of them in English. Okay, you have to select any Hindi or Marathi poem from your syllabus only and try to translate it in English. Question number 10, visit library and find out the schools on poem. Now here one project is given. You have to do this source of light one project. For that information is given here, so you can make it in your scrapbook. So I hope that everybody might have understood all question and answers. Still, if you have any confusion, you can write in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get daily update of my new videos. Thank you.